Hello and welcome you all. Students, today in this video, we'll do some more questions based on continuity. So our question for today is find the value of k if fx which is equals to k sine pi by 2, x plus 1 if x is less than equal to 0 and 10x minus sine x upon x cube if x is greater than 0 is continuous at x is equals to 0. So student, since according to our question, our function is continuous at x is equals to 0. Therefore, left hand limit is equals to right hand limit is equals to the value of our function at x is equals to 0. We can write this as limit x tends to 0 minus fx is equals to limit x tends to 0 plus fx, and this is equals to f of 0. So first we will take left hand limit at x is equals to 0. So student, from here we can write limit x tends to 0 minus fx which is equals to limit x tends to 0 minus, and we know according to our question that our function fx if x is less than equals to 0 will gives us k sine pi by 2 x plus 1. So from here we will put x is equals to 0 minus h. As x tends to 0, h is approaches towards 0. Therefore student, from here we can write limit h tends to 0 k sine pi by 2, and in place of x I can write minus h plus 1. So student, on substituting the limit h tends to 0, we get k sine pi by 2, and we know that sine 90 is equals to 1. So from here we get left hand limit is equals to k. And now we'll check for right hand limit at x is equals to 0. So from here we can write limit x tends to 0 plus fx which is equals to limit x tends to 0 plus, and now according to our question, if x is greater than 0, our function fx will be equals to 10x minus sine x upon x cube. So from here we will put in place of x 0 plus h. So as x tends to 0, again h is approaches towards 0. From here we can write limit h tends to 0 10, and in place of x we will write 0 plus h which is h. So 10h minus sine h upon h cube. So from here as you can see that we cannot put h tends to 0 directly as it will become undefined. So student, from here we can write 10h as sine h upon cos h. Therefore I can write this as limit h tends to 0 sine h upon cos h minus sine h upon h cube. So from here on taking the LCM we get limit h tends to 0 sine h minus sine h cos h upon h cube cos h. So from numerator we will take sine h as common, and in bracket we can write 1 minus cos h upon h cube cos h. So from here we will separate out limit h tends to 0 sine h upon h into limit h tends to 0 1 minus cos h upon h square into limit h tends to 0 1 upon cos h. We know that limit x tends to 0 sine x upon x is equals to 1, and limit h tends to 0 1 upon cos h. We know that cos 0 is equals to 1. So from here we get limit h tends to 0 1 upon cos h is equals to 1. Therefore student, from here we get limit h tends to 0 1 minus cos h upon h square, and now we have 1 with cos h. So here we will eliminate 1 by applying the identity. We will write limit h tends to 0 1 minus, and in place of cos h we will write 1 minus 2 sine square h by 2 upon h square. So from here 1 and 1 will get cancelled out, and we get limit h tends to 0 2 sine square h upon 2 upon h square. So we can write 2 into limit h tends to 0 sine square h upon 2 upon h square. Now student, watch and listen very carefully. See, in numerator we have sine square h upon 2, and in denominator we have h square. So from here we can write this as limit h tends to 0 sine h by 2 upon h by 2 whole square. So on solving the bracket in denominator we get h square upon 4. So to compensate it we will multiply this by 1 by 4. So from here we get 2 upon 4 which is equals to 1 upon 2 into 1 square. So from here we get 1 upon 2, and now we will check at x is equals to 0. So when we put x is equals to 0 in place of x, we get f of 0 which is equals to k sine 90, and we know that sine 90 is again 1. From here at x is equals to 0 we get f of 0 is equals to k. So from here, since left hand limit is equals to right hand limit is equals to f of 0, therefore student, here in left hand limit we get k. So k is equals to right hand limit which is equals to 1 by 2. So this is the end of this video. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.